Oo. Sama po
Tite.
namin sir.
Kamusta mga katropa? Itong tropa yung si Brian at nandito kami ngayon sa ACX. So, Anime Convention Expo. So, ito yung sa labas. So, ngayon papasok kami dalawa. May problema lang kami. Sobrang malaking problema. Meron kasi ngayong sale sa Bini. Bibili dapat kami ng Jollibee. Pero ano ulit naisipan natin, Lance?
Ewan ko. Ano?
Pumunta na convention, kaya tara. So, nasa loob na tayo ng ACX. As you can see, madaming conventions dito all around. So, let's walk around muna. So, nakikita nyo yung sa gilid. Yung sa gilid. Yan. There's ready. It's fucking hor. So, ngayon nakahanap ako ng map. Binigyan tayo doon for side quest. At hindi ko alam, mostly kasi puro QR code. At alamin natin kung ano tong mga to kasi meron daw price ata. Isusulat mo yung something to sa pader. So, gusto ko sana isulat doon. Isulat ulit natin doon.
Yung logo.
Susulat mo yung logo, ha? So, we're gonna scan the first QR code. I already did. Sana hindi malabo, di ba? I-touch mo yung screen. VSVO. Decipher the word. I wonder kung saan yung VSVO. Ang hirap hanapin nun. Yung VSVO. So this is the first one. Vols. So let's go to the second one. Terbo. So I have found the second one. Brothers. Akala ko talaga may Terbo dito na pangalan na store. No. Nabibenta sila ng ano. So we're going to now we're now going to the third part. Saan ba yung third part dito?
Ewan ko.
What the fuck?
Ewan ko.
Wait lang. So first part, second, so ito yung third. O ito, let's check. The beauty.
Alright, we're gonna search for that one.
So we found the third part. It's not beauty. It's Hub Tight. You know, Hub Tight Toy Store. See that? HUBBYTE. It's a toy store, not a beauty store. So yung quest 4 is this.
Minute cover.
Right. So we're at Minute Burger, sabi nila. It's Minute Burger.
Minute burger.
Ba't ikaw yung nag-solve? Ako yung nag-solve eh. So now we're going to go to the fifth quest. Kasipal Unum.
Wait.
Kasipal Unum. So hinahanap pa rin natin yung Capsule Moon. Hindi ko makita ko saan.
Sure ka bang capsule moon yun do?
MONN. So we've been searching for 40 minutes. Nakasulat po kasi doon is cosplay moon. So ito, moon to. Kasi merong dash. Apparently, Lance, sabi kapag hindi ito complete, kung hindi na kasi yung mismong madaming words doon, is nagkakaroon ng dash para ibaba.
Hindi lang na-realize, sorry.
So pakibasa nga yun. Fucking kill. So we done this for 1 hour. 1 hour of finding this. We're finding this. for 40 minutes at nahanap namin yung survey doon lang sa gilid ng Yoshinoya. Yan, Yoshinoya. So we done this 1 hour and ngayon, papastamp na natin to, then we're done. Oh my So kakain na ako ng chicken. Bumili kami ng chicken doon. Nakakatawa yung chicken nila, tingnan mo nakarap. What kind of chicken is this? That's a Anong gravy oh. Ice cream.
Hello guys, welcome to Tropas Club and we're at ACX at SMX. So today we're going to interview some cosplayers and I'll give out a set of questions and yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's find some cosplayers. Something interesting.
That is for today. May excuse kami kasi sumakit ulo namin sa fried chicken na ice cream pala yun. At medyo nahiya. Still have no idea but walang girlfriend. Pero anyways, that is the vlog. Thank you for watching guys. Siyempre, like, share, subscribe, comments below kung ano pang gusto nyo makita. And para matapos na tong video na to, magko-cosplay ako next time.
Anime outro.